how professional, how what more can it do, diba? Given na it's sliding right now. So this is the shot. I have been wanting to do this for the longest time sa buong buhay ko. First impression. Okay, so sa kasalukuyan, kamusta kayo Martians? Welcome back to the 365. Yeah, welcome back to 365. So today, something interesting came in the mail today. So I had to stop what I was doing at kinailangan ko mag-edit kasi talaga today. But when the thing that I've been waiting for came, I had to stop everything that I was doing para sa bagay na to. It's something that I've always wanted for a very long time. Dahil, hindi ko masabing, nandoon din kasi ako sa part pa rin ng career ko na hindi ko masabi kung filmmaker ba ako or I'm just a plain old videographer. So, ano nga ba yung isang bagay na to? Kinda wanna make this special for you guys. In a bit. In a teensy tiny bit. This bad boy. Right here. This is called the iFootage Shark Slider Nano 2. First impression, in-order ko to sa Vizen Marketing. So, big shoutout kay Ma'am Jovelyn for hooking me up. And meron ata akong OR. Delivery receipt. Oof! I bought this at a specific price na hindi ko pwedeng i-disclose. And the first things first, opening the box. Yeah. Okay. So, we have the A7S III on our hands right here. And probably, as far as I know, before I open the slider, ang alam ko, it can be put on surfaces and it can be also be placed on top of a tripod. Habang wala pa yung small rig Tribex, we're using all our tripods. Benro Cyanbird, Benro Big Bird. Anyways, so we got the carrying case, which is very, very beautiful, in my opinion. So, sa angle na to, kita nyo may nakalagay na iFootage. Carrying case is good kasi it would be very important dahil larami na tayong bibit-biting gamit. Dumami. So sorry. Big shoutout sa mga PA ko. Oh, okay. Wow. First things first. Meron tayong ganito. May sticker. That's gonna go ahead sa ating case. Instruction manual, which is important. Of course, ito, very, very edible. Silica gel, lagi yung kinakain. Importante yan. Papatangkad po yan. Ooh! Seryoso siya, oh. Galing. Okay, so first things first, naka-assemble na siya. Hindi katulad ng mga nakikita kong ibang slider. Wow! Look at that. That's great. Sweet smell of metal. Naro-rotate na siya. Nagro-rotate siya. Okay. Ganda. Ayan ang pouch dito. Ang naman niya ay cables. I think mga kable to para sa pag kinonect natin yung gimbal. Uh-oh. Dami. So, kailangan ko tong basahin yung instruction manual. Kasi, all I know is I can power it up and put a very nice camera on top of this. Sige. Dami. Ilagay natin yan dyan. Later on. Itong kasama niya. Kasama siyang ganito. Mount ng... Ano ito? Mount ng alin to? Phone mount. Yeah, that's actually nice. Phone mount. Ito. Alam ko to. Ito yung curious ako. Ito rin yung kable niya ata. Yep. This is it. Ito yung magiging money maker natin. Kaya ako to binili is kaya daw ilagay yung gimbal dito. Then at the same time, we could do extra movements. Kasi a slider is commonly known for push in, push out, orbiting pan, wherein you can put your subject in the middle, and of course the power cable. But may battery naman tayo, so power up natin yung battery. So ito lang naman kailangan natin dito. Tatabi muna natin yung case for now. Let's see if it works straight out of the box. Kasi binidyo ko din talaga to for the sake na syempre dahil binili natin siya. May legs pa sa ilalim. Okay. Ito lang naman muna eh. But okay. Now, cut muna natin ulit. Oh shit. No. That is nice. Ooh, English. Okay, back. Video. Panorama. O ganda yung screen. Yung feel ng screen. Okay siya. Though, siguro dahil may protection, pa macro mode, may ganun siya. Settings. Alam niyo, isa lang naman yung goal ko eh. May gusto kong gawing shot dito sa gimbal na to. But it's in Chinese. Great. How am I supposed to understand this? And you didn't even bother to put it in English. Oh my God.
Let it calibrate. Mount your device. Set perpendicular to the slider.
So medyo maingay lang pala siya kapag sinit up. This. Nope, no it's not. Nope. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. So roll and then start. 15 seconds. Oh my goodness. That is a specific cheat. Not bad. Nice. Okay. Let's try. Yun, gumalaw lang. Nakita nyo? Ewan ko kung nakita nyo. Roll. Start. Oh my goodness. Actually. Okay, so guys, after a few minutes of dabbling with it, I figured it out. Except now ng point A, point B. Ito ay test shot. Standby, set on 5 seconds. Standby. Yun nga lang yung kailangan ko madali yung speed ng gimbal, yung responsiveness ng gimbal sa custom, smooth, medium. Try natin medium. Go. Ooh, let's go. Okay. Try natin ibang movement. Cut muna. Ito, try natin. Tawag dito, client pasikat shot. Roll. Reduce natin sa 10. Set natin sa settings. Naka-roll pala yun. Hindi pala standby lang. Reko. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Start. This is amazing. Okay. Ano pa pwede natin gawin? Yeah. Ano muna tayo? Off muna natin. So this is the shot. I have been wanting to do this for the longest time sa buong buhay ko. Hindi ako pwede mang-istorbo ng mga tropang videographer. Hindi ako pwede mang-istorbo ng tropa. Hindi ko trip mag-iabala. So, i-shoot natin itong scene na to. Let's go. Ito yung itsura ng... Wait lang. Yeah. Try na natin. Sige, roll natin. This is our first take, so 3, 2, 1, and... Nox. Let's see. Let's see. So, basically ito yun. Ito yung Shark Slider Nano 2 na nakakabit yung gimbal. Sa nakikita nyo sa wide shot, ito rin yun. It's very useful for, let's say, interviews, talking heads na may ganto, ganyan, may kausap ka, di ka nakatingin sa camera, or pwede namang ganto. Meron kang specific na narrative na gusto mong gawin para sa mga videos mo. Do I highly recommend this? Not right now. Kasi I'm just, starting to actually, kakabili ko pa lang. So, sabi ko na hindi ko pa siya highly marirecommend ngayon dahil ang dami pang pwedeng mangyaring tweaks, marami pang pwedeng mangyaring experiments with this. But I could imagine everything that I can achieve. Yung face tracking, kailangan ko i-track yung mukha ko, which is yan. So, para sustainable siya. And right now, it's on an actual loop. Niloop ko siya for, I think, 30 seconds each. Parang ang bilis pala ng 30 seconds. Ito, pwede ko pa palang bagalan if I want to specifically do something different. Like, we can actually repeat shots if we wanted to. Para ka lang nag-overthink. Ito, gawa pa tayo isa pang take. Overthinking shot. It really looks good. It's gonna be perfect for all the interviews, all the food shots, hero shots. Pwede siguro mag-hero shots sa sarili ko. I think that's possible. Ito, pwede rin tong scene na overthink scene eh. Ito, sample. Okay, so when it actually comes to sliders, I am a different kind of person. I have a very different opinion about these types of equipment. But right now, I can honestly say I'm impressed by what this thing can do. This is actually the Shark Slider Nano 2 660. And ang dilim niya. Hindi yung makita sa C2 yung shot, but I'm actually doing a pretty good shot right now using this camera. I mean, the effect, the thrill, it's so professional. How professional, what more can it do, diba? Given it's sliding right now at a 40-second speed, pwede natin siya gawing mas mabilis, but right now I'm doing it on a slow pace because I'm trying to do a bunch of stuff. I'm experimenting with it, which I think is really surprising because honestly, the angle looks good, but I don't look good. Hindi pa ako nag-ayos, and straight out of the box, inayos ko pinagtripan ko tong slider. At ito yung nagawa natin mga results, ito yung mga, It seems to be like, that's really different. Honestly. Okay, so sisync ko na lang to sa phone ko. Ayan, gamitin natin siya product. And this time, vertical. Yeah. So, naset na ako ng movement. Kinaangan ko lang yung setup. Ayan siya. Mahusay. Taray. Well, less hassle sa tuhod. Totoo lang, yun talaga yung medyo, yun. Yan, naka-loop siya ngayon, niloop ko siya. Medyo madaya siya, di ba? Naglo-loop. So, end na natin. Okay. So, I think dito ko na muna tatapusin itong vlog. I really think the slider is really good. These are my first impressions, first thoughts. Sa pagkatapos, that is for this vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe para may good vibes. Sending you guys nothing but blessing and abundance. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Peace out.